Welcome to URI Tech Day 2026, How to Train Your Tech, Harnessing Emerging Tools as Allies, being hosted on Thursday, August 27th, 2026, starting at 10 a.m., ending at 4 p.m. EST. So, I'm sure this is going to be a quick walkthrough video of the platform just to make sure you're all ready and prepped for Tech Day 2026. To hopefully have you navigate the platform with little to no issues. So, as I'm sure you're already familiar with the sign-in page and the registration, I'm sure you've already done this. And then as you go through, you're going to be getting a prompt to sign into the event. You're going to be given the promotional page, which is this, where you're able to download it via the App Store, Google Play, or accessing it through the website, which is what we will be doing today. So if you click on that link, it's going to bring you to the sign-in page, which you're going to sign in using the same email address you registered the event for. Otherwise, it is not going to work if you use a different email address. After signing in and continuing, you're going to be brought to the lobby screen of Tech Day. Lobby screen is a wonderful homepage that has a event countdown if you've preemptively joined Tech Day, a thumbnail for Tech Day, and a brief thumbnail or a brief description of Tech Day. You're also going to be noticing that there's going to be an event happening now in between these two. That happening now is going to be filled with sessions that are currently happening in the moment of Tech Day. And speaking of sessions, you're going to be seeing all those sessions that I previously mentioned in the session bar on the left side, where it's going to have every single session starting at 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Now, if you are interested in a session, you can just click on the plus icon on the right side of your screen. Let's say if I'm interested in, I'm not a coder, I'm an educator using AI to build interactive learning activities. I like the sound of that. I'm going to click on the plus icon. So that's on my agenda. And even if it's at the same time, like teaching AI literacy through iterative course design, I can also click plus. Then if I go to my agenda, I will see those two courses. See those two sessions I've added. I have a bunch of other ones in my agenda because I'm pretty interested in the content that is being presented. Now, after these sessions all occur and Tech Day concludes, we will be uploading the recordings of the sessions to this recordings tab on the left side. And then as well as after Tech Day, there's going to be a survey option where we humbly ask you to fill us out. Let us know how we did, what we did bad, what we did good, and give us your feedback. Going back to Tech Day, you're going to see attendees, which is where you're going to see everyone who has entered Tech Day. You're going to see the announcements. This will be periodically updated throughout the day just to remind you what's going on, a couple sessions, and how everything is going. And then you're also going to see speakers. In this, you're going to see all the speakers. Just to go for a brief example, on the top left, we see Amanda Jensen. She's an IT project leader at University of Rhode Island. I want a little bit more information on her. I click on visit. It gives me a brief overview of what she does, what her sessions are for the day, and a prompt for requests to follow up. This can bring you to an email just to schedule an appointment with her after the fact. Going back, if you click on web link, it's going to provide you a screen to URI Tech Day page. This is where we have a bunch more information about Tech Day and what's going on. And then you go to the wall and the Q&A. These are two pretty similar but very different. Starting with the wall, think of it as a comment section throughout the day, whether or not you have a positive experience at a survey or session, you can put it here. And then a Q&A is when you have a issue and you would like it to be solved via one of the speakers, or just a general platform issue. If it's a platform issue, one of the TLS team members will be constantly monitoring this and will get back to you to help you assist with this platform. And thank you so much for your time. I'm very excited to see you at Tech Day. And we wish that it's a positive experience and that you learn and get something out of the experience at Tech Day. Thank you so much again for your time. Have a wonderful day.